What is a lump sum or fixed price contract? A lump sum contract is considered a traditional means of procuring construction projects. Under a lump sum contract, a client provides a defined specification for works, and a contractor returns a fixed price for the project. This price is agreed before works begin and is a fixed sum a contractor will be paid for completing the works. It's important to note, lump sum doesn't mean that a lump sum payment is made at the end of a project like the name would suggest. In most projects spanning more than a few months, payment is made in installments. Rather, lump sum refers to how the project is priced. First, the client outlines the project requirements, specification, and desired outcomes. Based on this information, the contractor provides a detailed estimate of the total project cost. This estimate considers factors such as labour, materials, equipment, permits, and other expenses. Once the estimate is finalised and both parties agree on the terms, a fixed cost or lump sum contract is signed. Under this contract, the contractor agrees to complete the project for the predetermined fixed amount, regardless of any cost fluctuations. There are circumstances under which a fixed price may change before or during the works. However, this will vary depending on the contract terms. An example of when a price may change includes contract breach, scope changes, unmet assumptions, and other events stipulated within the agreed contract. Any changes to the price would be captured under the change management mechanism. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of fixed cost or lump sum construction contracts. The pros. Budget certainty. The client knows the exact cost of the project up front, allowing for better financial planning and budgeting. Reduce risk. The contractor assumes the risk of cost overruns or unexpected expenses, providing peace of mind to the client. Price competition. Lump sum contracts encourage contractors to compete based on quality and efficiency, leading to competitive pricing. Clear scope of work. These contracts typically include a detailed scope of work, minimizing misunderstandings and disputes. The cons. Limited flexibility. Changes to the project scope can be costly, as they may require additional negotiations and adjustments to the fixed price. Unforeseen issues. If unforeseen conditions or unexpected challenges arise during construction, the contractor may request change orders, potentially impacting the project's timeline and budget. Risk of overpricing. Contractors may inflate the initial price to account for potential risks, which could lead to higher costs for the client. Lack of transparency. In some cases, the client may not have full visibility into a breakdown of costs, making it challenging to assess the fairness of the fixed price. In summary, fixed cost or lump sum construction contracts provide both benefits and challenges. They offer budget certainty, risk reduction, and clear expectations. However, they can limit flexibility, pose challenges with unforeseen risk, and require careful negotiation. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.